Hello, friends! I'm sharing with you a recipe for a chocolate dessert that simply melts in your mouth and is prepared in a matter of minutes. First, prepare 14-ounce milk chocolate. Pour 13.5 fluid ounces heavy cream into it. The cream should be very hot, but do not bring it to a boil. Slowly pour it over the chocolate. And mix until the mass becomes homogeneous. This is the consistency you should get. Cover the mass tightly with cling film so that there is no air. Put it in the refrigerator to stabilize. Meanwhile, take 5.3-ounce walnuts and chop them in a blender with small pulses so that the nuts are ground into small pieces. You can use nuts that you like best. This kind of nut crumb will be wonderful. We set the nuts aside for now. And we take out our chocolate mass. Look, it has already hardened nicely and has a thick creamy consistency. Now we need to beat it well with a mixer. To get a looser consistency of the cream. That will be enough. We mix a little more with the silicone spatula. And we transfer the cream to a pastry bag. Subscribe to my channel to get even more no-bake desserts. Now spread the cream on half of the cookie and press it with the other half. On top of the cookie, also spread a thin layer of cream on both sides. You will need about 32 cookies. Now dip them in coffee. And sprinkle them well with chopped nuts. Repeat with all the other cookies. On top, cover the cookies nicely with cream. And decorate with strawberries if desired. Look how beautiful it is! Incredibly delicious cookies with a very chocolatey taste and a delicate nutty flavor. Enjoy! See you in the next videos.